we're going to the rock pools. The water is so warm. There's so much to see at the rock pools. There's lots of seaweed. There's lots of crab and side shells.
I got sea snails.
We love looking in the rock pools. There's always something to find. We splash in the water. I love going to the beach with my family.